Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and in today's video I'm actually going to use this little filigree element that I got from BB Craft, and I'm going to use an old key and we're going to make some jewelry. These come in a variety of shapes and sizes. One of those make fun earrings. I'm actually going to leave some information down in the description box below if you're interested in getting any of these. These would actually be really nice for scrapbooking too if you're into that. So BB Craft's website, address, and links to this and a bunch of other things I got from BB Craft and a coupon code will be down in the description box below. So I've done several videos about some key jewelry. My dad, he's just collected a bunch of keys over the years, and so I picked through here and I found this old beat up key. I don't know what it went to. It's probably a lock of some sort. It doesn't look like a house key or car key, so it's probably just a padlock of something. It says Independence Lock Company. It's all kind of rusty looking, made in USA. And I ordered these from BB Craft. They sent them to me. I guess I've had them for about a week. And when I put these in the order, I knew that I wanted to do something with keys with them. I'm going to use a silver jump ring. This key is silver, but it's kind of antique-y, rusty color. So that's why I'm using silver here. And then kind of mixing my metals a little bit because this is more of an antique brass. And then I've got this little guy, and I'm going to glue it all together with E6000. All right, let me move this out of the way and use some junk mail to protect my surface. I got a toothpick, and the first thing I'm going to do, I got to determine which side I want to show. I think I want this side to show. It's got more writing on it. So I'm going to take my E6000 glue and try to open it up. I've got very weak hands, so I have a hard time. I may have to get a pair of pliers. Hang on. All right, I had to go get some of these type of pliers. You don't want to use your jewelry pliers for this. Open this up. There we go. One thing about E6000 I've noticed, it likes to really shoot out of there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, put the glue on the key. Okay, and then I'm going to hurry and put the top on. And then I'm going to spread the glue around. And then I'm going to put it on this little thing. I think I want to put it about right here. And this is going to take a little while to dry. But I'm going to go ahead and add this turtle. And I'm trying to play around with where I want it. And I think I'm going to put it on the hole, because I want all the writing to show. Okay. So I got a little bit more glue here. Looks like I'm going to have some more. Stop. All right, and then I'm just going to put them on top of that hole, and I'm making a mess. There we go. And then I'm going to let it dry, and I will be back. By the way, a tip before I walk away. Since this is filigree, and more than likely that glue is going to come through, you kind of want to make sure that it's not going to stick to the paper. See, there's some glue there. So I just going to let it sit on this plastic thing here. It'd be easier to peel off. Okay, so while I'm waiting for that to dry, I am going to try to find a chain. And I like to keep a lot of my scrap chains in these containers. And I'm thinking maybe I want a long chain. I have some I've already made up that are 18 inches. But I'm not sure. I don't know, those might work. Let's see, nothing in there. I guess I could use whatever color chain. Some of these are kind of short. Let's see. Here's a chain. That's not long enough. Huh. I could get something like this. I kind of want this to be grungy. That looks pretty good. Or do I want it short? Let that dry a little bit more and then we'll play some more later. So I think I've decided to go ahead. Do I have my light on? I don't think I do. Okay, I don't know if that made any difference. All right. I think I decided to go ahead and do the short chain only because this is pretty long and I just want it, well, when I'll put it on for you so you can see what it looks like on. And then you'll see what I'm talking about, hopefully. Anyway, I've got this big jump ring here. I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, let's see, I could put it here. Or I think I'm going to put it more down here. And then I want to go ahead and feed it through. I'm going to let this cure overnight. This right here before I actually wear it. There we go. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. And it's going to hit in a perfect spot. So there is our little key grunge necklace. I'm going to let, like I said, I'm going to let this set overnight so it'll cure. And then I'm going to put it on tomorrow. And I'll take some pictures, video, or whatever. I'll put it at the end of this video so you can see what it looks like on. And let me know, what do you think of old keys, putting them in jewelry? Would you wear something like this? And let me know down in the comment section below if you've ever made any fun things out of old keys. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.
Whoa, it is bright out here.
I had to come into the garage. It is hot out there and it is sunny out there. I think it's supposed to be in the hundreds today. Anyway, here's the necklace. I let it cure overnight. I love the length of this. And you know what? I need to make me a pair of earrings. So I'm gonna go in there and do that today. So stay tuned for another video on some matching earrings for this, I was gonna say grunge, but it's more of a steampunk